Hey there. Welcome to Fynlo Learnings. I'm Liam, your Fynlo system champion. Today, let's build a chart of accounts. Let's dive in. First, go to the side panel and select Accounting, then click on Chart of Accounts. You can create a new account in two ways. You can click New Account to enter manually, or use Import to upload a CSV or XLSX file. If you need a template, click Download Sample File. For today, let's create it manually. Click New Account, enter the account name, select the type, and add a description if you like. Finally, hit Save, and you're all set. And that's how you build your chart of accounts. A well-organized chart is key to managing your finances effectively. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips from Fynlo Learnings. Thanks for watching, and happy managing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.